All right, Chevelle fans. What could possibly be the most popular year of Chevelle? For sure, possibly one of the best body styles of 66 and 67s. Here you go. Let's take a look at this one. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Nice looking hardtop. I'm going to go around this and show you some key things as far as when this was restored. That's kind of neat. Some of the attention to detail stuff. First of all, yes, true SS 138 code or 138 VIN car. So beginning of the VIN will start with the 138. It's also in the style number on the data tag. So yes, we do have a true Chevelle SS here. Not representing it as numbers matching. Get into that in a bit. Now, as far as this paint, I'd call it kind of a copper metallic, and it is a looker. It is definitely a cool color. Stands out in a crowd and just looks bad on this car. I mean, it is. Look for yourself. First of all, let's take a look at this front fascia. Bumper, grill area, bright work. How nice is that? Now, as far as this paint and how it's laid on, it was definitely a quality job. Are you going to maybe find an imperfection here or there in it? Yes, but I guarantee you they are few and far in between. Let's take a look at that. Pictures and videos, folks, unfortunately doesn't do this car justice when it comes to the paint. You can also see how straight this car is. Now, you can check out the still pictures. I got probably 100 plus pictures of this car online. You can see the underside of it. Engine bay, interior, trunk. All of it looks good. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. So you can see it's riding on Prager SS's. Nice looking chrome wheels. Front disc and power brakes. Power steering. AC. This is powered by a 454 big block underneath the hood. So I confirmed it is not numbers matching. But according to the casting, number it is 454, and that's paired with a 350 automatic transmission. Vinyl top, also in exceptional shape. And again, just take a look up and down the side of this. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. You can see how straight it is once again down the passenger side. Nice setup in the interior. Here's one of those little things I talk about in the build. Shoulder belts. Both sides. Seat belts in the rear. Front buckets. Center console. Shifter on the floor. Aftermarket stereo. Nicely done. Retro style stereo. And then another little thing. Power retractable antenna that is working. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust. Both dump behind the rear wheels on each side. Again, take the bright work, chrome, everything on the back of this car. Remember, true SS, you can tell by the VIN number and the cowl tag. Those still pictures, if you want to check out the trunk. Nice, that's finished off. The underside, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, look at how straight this car is up and down the driver's side. See the reflection of the showroom behind me. This paint is just put on this car so nice. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. So we have black vinyl, contrasting carpet on the floor, which is a cool combination, again, on this copper colored car with the black vinyl top. Ties it together nicely. Let's go ahead and start this up, show you a couple other things on the interior here. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second, get a little glare with that light, so hold on 1 second, and get that light off, and I'll be right back. Alright, so interior. Aftermarket stereo install, kind of retro sound stereo. Works fine.
Committed to a higher standard of clean.
Now, this is an AC car. Compressor kicks on and off. AC blue cold. Let's take a look at the rest of the condition of the dash. Also in good shape. Notice the gauges are working. We have oil pressure here, temperature. I obviously come up with the temperature of the engine internals. Battery gauge here, and kind of back here you can see the fuel gauge, maybe not so much on the camera. There you can kind of see it. It's easier to see when you're sitting in the car right here. This tack does cover it up a little bit, but they did add a tack. It is in working condition, and it's also in front of the blinker indicator, so I found this rather interesting, and somebody took the time and did this right down here. They've installed it and it's hooked up. Blinker indicator works on that side. Little things like that, you can tell it was a nice build. It also works on this side. Also notice this, how about that? Working clock. Alright, let's slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run. Like I said, just little things that go into the build that you noticed that maybe a lot of other cars, they didn't take the time to do it that right or make it that nice. This one's got it. And how about that? I think this car won't turn some heads. Great sound, great looks. So let's slip up underneath the hood, take a look at that big block 454. So hold on 1 second, we'll pop the hood. Let's get a look at this engine bay. Hood popped. And again, give you an idea how nicely finished off this car is. Tastefully done underneath there. A little bit of chrome, nothing crazy. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, compressor does kick on and off, HEI ignition. The technician that did the safety inspection and the inspection they go through on this car said it drives out beautiful. Got a couple references to how nice this car drives. So there you go, Chevelle SS fans, 1967 Chevelle SS 454 powered. Turbo 350 automatic transmission, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate or call or email.